no matter how stupid the title of this video sounds like. Since the creators of these videos didn't credit the mod, I guess I'll do it myself. Hello, I'm MacHorse, and the video you see in the background, and the similar, are made with Blockbuster mod. If you were looking for it, you have finally found it. Blockbuster mod allows to record actors, import custom models, and use them as actors, has an integration with Aperture Camera mod, and more. Blockbuster is a powerhouse for those channels, and it really sucks that these channels are not crediting my mods or donating, but hopefully the algorithm will pick up this video. Also, a lot of TikTokers are using these mods as well. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you wish to learn how to make machinimous or clusterfuck videos like these, I don't judge you. I have a lot of videos on this channel dedicated to Blockbuster mod. You can start here. Also, special thanks to people that actually credit my mods.